A question we get asked sometimes is, should I go with a metal roof or a shingle roof? And I just wanted to cover a couple of pros and cons for each of them. Pros for the metal is that it's a clean, sleek, kind of modern look that a lot of people like over the look of shingles. Another one is that it's energy efficient, depending on the color and so forth, because it's more of a reflective surface, it's flat, even, smooth. There's some energy efficiency there. A lot of color options, a lot of possibilities, and the longevity is great on the metal roof because while the coating is warranted or guaranteed for 35 or 40 years originally, at that period where the roof is starting to wear out, instead of needing to replace it, you can simply recoat or repaint the metal. And so you can often extend the life of an actual metal roof up to 100 years. We've seen roofs last for quite a while. Pros on the shingles is the price point. Definitely it's a lower price point than the metal, and so that's attractive. You also have a lot of the color options and so forth, as well as specialty shingles, which kind of simulate the appearance of a wood shingle or slate at a much lower price point than either of those materials. Another pro for the shingles is that with advances in technology more recently, they are lasting longer and longer. So they used to last 20, 25 years. Now they're guaranteed for 45 and 50 years. And so you get a good bit of life even out of a shingle roof at a lower price point than metal. Ultimately, it really comes down to your taste, your personal taste. You like the looks of metal or shingles. What's your budget? What are you willing to spend? At Joyland Roofing, we have professional installers for both metal roofs and shingle roofs, so we'd be more than happy to help you decide which one is a good fit for your budget and your tastes.